tied up with strings. These are the few of my favorite things.
Smile, smile.
Trees and lips, apple strudels, cobwebs and sprinklers and pigeons with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are the few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses and blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are the few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Very good.